In today's video, let me show you how you can download Genshin Impact on your PC. Welcome back to Solving Factory. So let's start with the tutorial. First, open a browser and navigate to the official website, as you can see here on the screen. And then after that, you'll be directed to a sign-up form. Complete this form with your email address and other details. Next, press the send button to receive a verification code. Then enter a code and then press the blue play for free button to start downloading Genshin Impact. And the downloading process begins. And there you have it. That's how easy and quick you can download Genshin Impact on your PC. Enjoy playing! Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.